Why are transmission line right-of-way issues so important to manage? Imagine trying to keep a city powered without clear paths for the wires that carry electricity. That's what managing the space around transmission lines is all about. It might seem simple, but it's actually a key part of keeping our power systems safe and reliable. When utilities build transmission lines, they need legal permission to use land they don't own. This permission is called a right-of-way. It's like a corridor or strip of land where they can put towers and wires without interference. Properly managing this space is essential for many reasons. First, safety is a big concern. Transmission lines carry very high voltages, sometimes at extra high voltage levels. These voltages can cause dangerous electrical faults if vegetation or structures get too close. Electrical codes and safety standards set minimum distances that must be kept at all times. Wind or temperature changes can cause conductors to sway, so the right-of-way must be wide enough to prevent contact with anything that could cause a short circuit or shock. Reliability is another reason. Power lines need to be accessible for inspections and repairs. If trees or buildings block access, it can delay fixing problems. This could lead to longer outages, which nobody wants. A well-managed right-of-way ensures utility crews can reach the lines quickly and safely, reducing downtime and keeping power flowing smoothly. Environmental concerns also play a role. Managing vegetation helps reduce fire risks and protects wildlife habitats. Electromagnetic fields generated by high-voltage lines can affect people and animals, so the boundaries of the right-of-way help limit exposure and allow for mitigation measures. Legal issues are important too. Utilities must negotiate easements or land agreements with landowners or government agencies. These agreements specify what can and cannot be done in the corridor, how much compensation is involved, and who is responsible for maintenance. If these agreements aren't handled properly, it can lead to legal disputes, delays, or even project cancellations. Sometimes, utilities may need to use eminent domain to acquire land, but that's a last resort. As renewable energy sources like wind and solar farms grow, transmission lines need to be expanded or upgraded. Managing right-of-way effectively makes it easier to add new lines or upgrade existing ones without conflicts. It also helps ensure the corridors are suitable for future needs. Electrical engineers work closely with landowners, environmental experts, and regulators to design and maintain these corridors. They make sure the right-of-way meets technical safety standards while respecting environmental and social concerns. Good management of these spaces keeps our power system resilient, safe, and ready for the future.